about me. All about me. Fish. Fish. I like my fish.
All right.
Hippo. I like my hippo.
All right. This is a very good book.
Pig. I like my pig.
You like it? How do you spell like?
L-I-K-E.
Yeah, you're right. Okay, what's the next page?
Mom. Mom reads me a book. No.
What does that say?
Go slow.
Mom.
No, sound it out.
Mom. My mom likes me.
You are the greatest. Yay!
It was a good